everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku Charts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Thursday, February 21st, 2013. Well, a confirmed change of trend today in a candle that's made a lower high and a lower low. Previous days trading we hadn't had confirmation of that change of trend, but the bearishness in that previous day's trading did suggest that there was a strong possibility. The market trading down below the Tenkan Sen meant that the sellers were in control in the short-term time frame, and looking at the size of the large black body, the sellers had some solid downside momentum. They have maintained that downside momentum for today, another black body candle, but the size of the black body has reduced to a degree almost half the size of the previous black body, and it does suggest that perhaps the momentum of the sellers is waning a little bit. Now that let up in the momentum to the downside coincided with support around the 1500 level and with the support at the Kijun Sen, the Ichimoku indicator, and the pink line here. The market traded exactly to the Kijun Sen and was rejected from there, so very, very solid support around this 1500 round number and the Kijun Sen. The market failed to close down below the 1500 level, and does suggest that there is a possibility you could see this market bounce, but still the sellers have closed with control of this market, not strong control but with control. They did lose some commitment around those levels. Now, looking at the Fibonacci extension, we're examining the relationship of the new current first time frame downtrend to the previous time the market was trending down, and here we see the market interacting with the 161.8%, which is at the 1499 level, coinciding with that area around the Kijun Sen and the 1500 round number level of support. And also with the Fibonacci retracement of the prior uptrend, here we see the market testing down below all of the important levels to 50%, the 61.8%, testing below the 78.6 and closing just at that level, and testing almost to the 100% and being rejected from there. So it does suggest that this is a very strong area around here. When the market found support, there is a possibility of a change of trend, but the short-term dynamics certainly aren't weak enough for us to be confident of a potential higher high and higher low. Now, in terms of Ichimoku, we have a bullish market in the long-term time frame, with the market trading up above the cloud, maintaining that bullishness that we've seen for quite some time. The market's also bullish in the medium-term time frame by trading above the Kijun Sen, and the market has retraced back towards the Kijun Sen to find equilibrium around that area. Finding support there as well, there is a possibility the market could bounce off here and trade back up through the Tenkan Sen. We are trading below the Tenkan Sen, which gives us a bearish outlook on the in the short-term time frame. But the possibility that if the market does bounce, it could find resistance around the Tenkan Sen, so that 1514 area might be important. But overall, very solid support down around where this market is, around 1500. We have a confluence of the Fibonacci levels around here and the Kijun Sen indicator, which has been pointing flat and attracted price action back towards it. It should hold as very, very solid support. The zone extends a little bit lower. We could see the market peak through that area down to around the 1494, 1495 area and bounce off. But resistance overhead potentially from the Tenkan Sen at 1514 and up to the 1523 level.